spent the Saturday hiking in one of the mountains around Bergen with our dog Apollo, my little cousin. Even though the weather was a bit gloomy, we have a saying in Norway that translates to "there is no bad weather, only bad clothing." Although it was raining, we met other hikers, which is typical for Bergen. Some were out on the lake in canoes, while others were enjoying hot cocoa or coffee inside the heated cabin, and others sat under the roof, enjoying the day in nature, regardless of the drizzle. The rain didn't really bother us either, and we kept walking till we found a quiet spot sheltered by the trees where Apollo could run around and play. We eventually found a great spot.
Her var det ganske bra, var det ikke det? Ja.
While I was putting up the hammock, Apollo was running around, finding sticks for us to throw. Since we were both busy, Aleksander set up our storm kitchen. We had pre-made batter for the typical hiking food called lapper.
Okay.
Ja, det er bra det, så du begynner å boble. Men du kan sikkert være litt sånn...
Apollo always tries to look cute, so we'll give him our food, but he quickly understood he wasn't getting any, so he went back to playing with his sticks. It's amazing how much joy a simple stick can give a dog.
Deilig å bli servert, altså.
Ok. Er det her? Eller så kjører ut. Apollo, nei. Eller så kjører ut.
The rest of the time we spent relaxing, enjoying the nature and each other's company, and played with Apollo. He's only 2 years old, and he's still so sweet and good-natured. When it was time to leave, we packed up everything and left the place exactly as we found it, and we of course took our rubbish with us as well. For more videos like this, like and subscribe.